When you think of the ultimate Chevy touring build, you think of EC Offroad. And right now, this truck behind me, I'm going to show you why. And to make it the ultimate touring Chevy, you go with the ultimate Canopy. Offroad Creative, we've collaborated with them again, as you can see all over this truck. Legends in the business, and we'll show you why. So on this side, as you can see, he's gone with the touring setup. So we've gone the Evercool 40-litre fridge on this side. We've gone the drawer with the table underneath. So if he's making a quick lunch or having some chips and dips, he can set himself up here. He's also gone with the big power system from these guys, 3000 watt inverter charger, 100 amps of charge from the DC-DC, and we've gone the 400 amp lithium on this side too. So with an Offroad Creative Canopy, all of the toolboxes come with this awesome tilting feature, so you get maximum access with maximum space. But there's a special feature in this one. So this is their designated compressor box. So it keeps everything nice and safe. But in here, we've really gone to town for this guy. We've gone the new ARB brushless, as you know and love, and we've also coupled it with everything from Apex. Again, what you've seen from us, it's gonna pump these tires up like no tomorrow. So wandering around to the back of the truck, you can see this customer's gone for the jerry can holder. Now just quickly, this fits most jerry cans on the market. Because he's gone 37s, he's gone the single spare in the middle, and then he does have a jack box coming as well. So you can go with a whole heap of options here. Depending on tyre sizes, we can go 2, we can go 1 spare, we can go 1 jack, 2 jerrys, whatever you want to do. There's heaps of options. And then working our way around to the left side, this is obviously the living side, so everything you need in here. Now this guy, again, he's gone the touring setup, so he's gone for the full fit out. So we've gone the Dometic upright fridge, we've got the 2 drawers, the double extending drawer. This thing is enormous, and I think would arguably be the biggest one on the market. Like, there's so much space here, you're not gonna run out of room. Can option in with the flush mounted induction cooker and a sink as well if you wanted to. In here, again, heaps of drawer space. So all of his accessories, standard inclusions from Offroad Creative are in there, ready for him to set up. And he's still got plenty of storage space up here as well. Now obviously he's taken out the pantry and the 3-in-1 oven precautions, but you can option those in as well. Over here, like I said, the new Dometic, this fridge is awesome, nice and big, the 115 litre as well. And then we've also gone the Switch Pro. You want reliable switching, that's what you want. And then to monitor it all with the Victron system, he's gone the Victron touch screen. This with the new update is unreal, super easy to read, and gives you everything including water and your AC currents, and you can turn and monitor everything from there. They're fantastic. You're probably asking yourself, why does this truck look so awesome? Well, I'll tell you. Down here, we've gone with the Method 605 in the big offset, and we've wrapped them in the Nittos in the 37-inch 20. These look awesome, they fill the guard out, and they just make the truck give this awesome stance. On top of that, we've gone, of course, with the 3-inch kit from BDS. This stuff transforms the ride of these trucks, and especially when you couple it with the upgraded rear leaf springs to give this thing a 5.8 tonne GVM. This thing will tow his caravan, his whole setup, whatever he wants, and not have to worry about his payload. Now normally this is the part where I show you how to control the airbags from on board in the vehicle. But with the magic of this Air IQ system, I can do it from all the way over here. That's pretty cool. So if you're setting up the van, or you're in the back of the van and you need to balance it out, you can do it from here. Now moving to the top of the vehicle, we've got the roof rack. He's opted for the Stedi package, so he's got the 2 Stedi lights on each side. These are the ones that you can change the colour and dim them down to go between white and amber. Not only that, he's got a Starlink up here. I've got a perfect view of this. He's got a Starlink up here, and he's got his recovery boards. So he's completely set. Even if he gets stuck, he can communicate back home and get himself out. Now of course, no ultimate touring build is complete without the ultimate front setup. Of course, we've gone lights from some of the best in the world. We've gone the LP9s with the backlight from Baja Designs. And with the Offroad Creative bar, we get the 30-inch light bar included in the bar itself, as well as the ditch lights. Customer here has opted for amber in the bar, with the option of removing the lenses for the up ones if he needs to see it out further. In there as well, you can't see, we've gone the 15,000 pound winch. There's plenty of things you can't see as well. Underneath, we've gone the long range fuel tank. No ultimate touring build is complete without it. We've gone the UHF for his comms up on the roof, right where you need it. And of course, we've gone the big GVM. So we've done the rear leaf springs, we've done the airbags, we've done the wheels and tyres. He can get to 5.8 tonne. So if you're looking at this ultimate touring setup and you're thinking to yourself, wow, I sure would love one of those, or find out what's involved in making my dream come true, give us a call, hit us up on social media, or check us out on ecbuilds.com.au. We'd be happy to help you out.